Having a break, and I'm feeding the pigeons. Look how close they're coming to me. Weird. Look, hey, look. If I want to, I can just touch him. Look at its friends. The other friend's not happy. Look at that. Like, I've never seen any bird that come that close to me when I'm feeding it. If I want to touch it, whoop, there we go. I just touched it. But it'll come again. Just see if I can get one. But I've got to make sure I wash my hands before I start eating, because these things are fucking... Look. Is it going to come? Damn, too quick. Desperate birds for some food. There's my bus right there.